Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello brosies, today I'm going to fix the windshield trim. As you can see, I just started now. I'm doing the trim for the Saab. I'm replacing it. Here, I bought this one. I bought this for $18, $18.95. 3 meters. I only need less than 3 meters. So what I'll do is just doing the trims all the way there and until here, all the way. Okay, so tools that we are needed is this one, and so sunny today, sunny but cold. That one, that's what we need. I've been doing this one here. Also you need a silicone spray, so that it's easy to put in. Okay. Okay, let me spray. I've already cleaned this side. That one I'm gonna clean it again. So we're just gonna spray it. Easy for us to do the job. We only need spots. Okay. So you do one side, then this side. Just be careful. Don't get the sharp one. So you just keep pushing it. This is what it looks like. Here. That's what it looks like. See? It's like a bell shape. You gotta be patient doing this. If you don't have patience, it's very bad. It is the problem in this side, because this one need to properly done in this side. Maybe I just need to make a cut here. So we just need to cut this side. Need to cut here. So so we got that. This side. So we're gonna be here. And here. Hard. Need a blade. cutter. He's a cutter. Okay. We will put this one underneath this one. So we just need to cut in here. There you go. Just need to cut. Okay. That's alright. That's nice. Better be underneath. So we gotta keep going. So we can keep pushing it. So later on we're going to glue this one. Just need patience. See? You don't have patience? No good. You won't be able to finish it. You don't have patience. Can't find any other trim sealant. Can't find any other sealant. It's only last option I've got. So well, this one is not bad. Later on we're gonna put sealant here, so that with the okay, that's how I do it. So I'll see you later on when it's finished.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, at tinatapos natin ito itong ano to yun. Okay, binabakol na muna yung papaloading niya.
Check the mic
Just bring
and
it down
make
so
sure
I
it
can
sound right,
easily go
boy.
there and fix it.
It sound right, boys. sound right, boys. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up and let's finish.
It sound right, boys.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie. There you go. Okie dokie. We got the now let's check what we did. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. I put some sealant after we put this one here. So that's how we did it. There. See? Now it's done. Look at that. It's done. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. You bring it to the shop or someone else. You can do it yourself. Okay. Okay. Well done. The moment of truth is come. Here it is. Okay, thank you for watching and please subscribe. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?